Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender from female to male on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings and now click personal information. Now click gender and here just click male and that's it, it will be saved. That's how to change your gender from female to male on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.